Good afternoon. The technology that I will be talking about today is a process for preparation of Ninta denim. The lead inventor is Dr. Gautam Panda, and the organization that he belongs to is CSIR CDRI. Ninta denim, as we all know, is a small molecule TKI which is orally administered as a capsule. It is approved by US FDA for the treatment of idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. EMA and PDMA have approved it for the treatment of non-small cell lung cancer. Currently, the cost of nintedanib in India is almost 5 to 6,000 rupees per day, which is unaffordable to most people. And the price of the generic version is around 85 to 90 rupees per 150 milligram tablet. What are the market opportunities? The market size for nintedanib was valued at USD 1.5 billion in 2023. The innovator industry is Boehringer, and the basic product patent has expired in 2023 and the secondary patents have exclusivity till 2029. The licensed manufacturers in India are some of them are Cipla, Lupin, Zydus, Cadila, etc., Glenmark, etc. And generics have been produced by Glenmark Pharma, Cipla Limited, etc. The existing process which is used has some drawbacks, like the total number of steps is more. There are 9 steps. Acetic acid, DMF and acetic anhydride have been used. The intermediate steps are difficult for synthesizing at a large scale. High temperature has been used. Hydrogenation is required for more than one type, and the yield of the reaction is not very high, in addition to harsh reaction conditions being used. There are various advancements and improvements to the process, which is a new improved process by CDRI, where the number of steps is lower, 4, and it is using more environment friendly reagents along with easy access to the oxoindole skeleton, and it is a more robust and scalable method with instead of 9 to 10 steps, there are 2 to 4 steps, and using the domino reaction, and less number of chemical reagents with the acceptable yield. So the estimated cost of raw material is USD 1919 per kg of the product yield. The current status is it is at a TRL level of 4, demonstrated at a 50 gram scale. The Indian patent has been filed with a publication date of August 23 and a priority date of February 22. They also have publications around this technology. What is the value proposition? There is a higher yield of 35 to 51% versus 35 to 40%. The number of steps is lower, 2 to 4 versus 9 to 10. Milder reaction conditions, eco-friendly solvents. No column chromatography is needed, so the OPEX is lower. A higher purity of 98%. Along with the residual palladium to 10.9, and the estimated raw material cost is comparable at $1,998 per kg, and this is included in the PLI 2.0 scheme. Who should be interested? Pharmaceutical API manufacturers who wish to leverage the PLI scheme, and companies who already manufacture in nintedanib and want a better process. Why they would want so is to make the because it is a more cost effective, simpler and scalable reaction with fewer steps required. The lead inventor is Dr. Gautam Panda, who comes with 22 years of biomedical research experience. He has worked on cost effective synthesis of blockbuster drugs. He has more than 132 publications to his credit and is the inventor of 10 patents. His industry collaborations include those with Dr. Reddy's, Natco, Reliance, etc. CDRI is a premium institute under the Department of Science, Scientific and Industrial Research. They have more than 13 new drugs which have been discovered and developed, and several success stories, as you can see in the slide. They have various industry collaborations. As you can see, there are various big names in the slide for their industry collaborations. So the next step is it is possible to scale up this technology with support from industry partners, from a pilot scale to a continuous flow if required. In partnership with other CSIR labs, they are seeking licensees for technology and IP on as is where is basis. and joint developmental sponsored R&D partners or scaling up the technology and advancing it. For more details, you can contact me at the connects which are written in the slide. Thank you.